Hello, I'm Dr. Monica Blythe. Thank you so much for downloading the Faces of Health app. I am so thrilled and proud to share this app with you. In this video, you'll learn how to use the app and how to really maximize all the features and the potential that it has available for you to better manage your stress and increase your wellness. So if you're living with any stress, whether it be chronically, just all the time things are happening or things come up as you go along, or if you're living with chronic medical illnesses or chronic mental illness, this app was designed for you, for people like you, for people like me. So within it, you'll find features including training on breathing skills or breath work and meditations like you find in other apps. However, there's so much more. I believe that there's no one size fits all approach to stress management and wellness. So I also teach you skills that you would learn in your work with a therapist. So you're learning tapping skills, tapping that is associated with EMDR therapy and also emotional freedom technique or EFT. You're learning somatic exercises, connecting the mind with the body that you would learn in DBT or dialectical behavioral therapy. And I also give you some really practical suggestions related to cognitive behavioral therapy or CBT and grounding skills. In addition to that, there's also self-brain spotting. Brain spotting is a phenomenal research-based treatment, and you can do it on your own. So whether you are using this app in conjunction with your therapist and practicing these skills every day, or maybe you've never been to therapy and you want to get a taste and introduction before you make that next step, I'm really excited for you to engage. Plus, I teach you the science behind why these things work. Plus, there is a community feature so that as you're going along, you can post pictures and motivational quotes to help uplift and inspire others. You can comment and like other people's posts, and you can also respond to questions that are presented in the forum. Questions like, how does your neurodiversity, living with ADHD or ASD, autism, impact your ability to use wellness skills? What are things that work for your pain management, and other questions that are presented? Always free within the app are somatic exercises, de-stress your thoughts, which is CBT, cognitive behavioral therapy skills training, the pedometer, and something else. I can't remember what it is right now, but go ahead and browse. And then you'll see there are some premium features such as the tapping skills and brain spotting and breathing skills that are for a monthly or yearly subscription, and the community. So I hope you find that this app has a lot of what you're looking for, that it's helpful for your wellness. And if it is, then please share it with a friend. Thank you so much again for joining our community. And I am so excited to see how you progress in this journey. Talk soon.